And what he does is he will like and comment the post using the CRM, because it aggregates all the LinkedIn posts in one place, so you don't have to do searches and stuff. And so using the CRM, he engage on socials, the leads, he warm them up, he do what we call like social warming. And then once the lead are a little bit warm, then he will reach out with a DM of the person. And because he has done like this job of warming up the lead by liking and commenting the post for
Hmm.
like 5 days, 3 days, he always get a reply, because it feels way more natural doing this subtle strategy. And by doing that, doing a case study right now. It's not out, but maybe by the time the podcast is out, like he closed 100K dollars for himself in like 1 quarter, and about 200K or 300K for his clients. And some of his clients, they already had leads, and it was just using the engagement to stay top
Right.
of mind in doing follow-ups. But the money is in staying top of mind and doing the follow-ups. So yeah, that's how Brett Cola helped them to get results.